Team, quick huddle on patient Evans, post-op day 1, right colectomy. His output from the nasogastric tube has significantly decreased overnight, which is a positive sign. However, he's complaining of persistent abdominal distension and discomfort, despite the gentle ambulation we encouraged. We've got him on a clear fluid diet, but he hasn't passed flatus yet. His pain is being managed with 4 opioids, but we're trying to transition him to oral analgesia today.
Right, decreased NG output, but still distended and no flatus. Any bowel sounds present? And is he tolerating sips of water, MIHIRAA?
Bowel sounds are present but hypoactive. He's managing small sips, but it's causing more discomfort. My main concern, and the reason I wanted to brief you specifically, is the delay in the return of bowel function, which is contributing significantly to his distension and discomfort. This is preventing progress with his oral intake. We need to consider proactive measures. Also, his urine output dropped slightly this morning, and we're monitoring for signs of dehydration, though his vital signs are stable.
So, primary focus on bowel function. What about the urine output? Electrolytes look okay, MIHIRAA?
Electrolytes were within normal limits on the last panel. The urine output is secondary to the immediate concern of his ileus. Once we address the bowel function, fluid balance should normalize. We need to encourage more ambulation and consider a prokinetic agent if there is no improvement in the next few hours.
Mouth ulcers can be incredibly uncomfortable, Mihira, and it is completely understandable if they are making eating or talking feel like a chore right now. These painful little sores usually pop up when the delicate lining of your mouth gets irritated. Sometimes it is as simple as accidentally biting the inside of your cheek while chewing, or brushing a bit too aggressively and scraping your gums. Other times, enjoying a meal that is just a little too hot can cause a minor burn that develops into a sore. Even everyday products we use to keep clean, like strong antiseptic mouthwashes or harsh toothpastes, can irritate sensitive tissues and trigger an ulcer. Fortunately, your mouth heals remarkably fast, and there are gentle ways to find relief while it mends. Mihira, swapping your regular toothbrush for a soft bristled one will prevent further irritation. You can also soothe the area by rinsing with a warm saline solution, a simple mix of salt and water, a few times a day. Finally, staying well hydrated by drinking plenty of water helps maintain moisture and flushes out irritants. Just give it a little time, avoid spicy foods, and you should feel much better soon.